The Royal Enfield Classic 350 has long been an absolute powerhouse in the retro motorcycle market, perfectly capturing the romance of old-school motorcycling while integrating the requirements of daily reliability. For this year, the 2026 iteration demonstrates why it remains the undisputed king of its segment. Instead of reinventing a formula that millions already love, Royal Enfield has subtly refined the package, introducing critical, rider-focused hardware updates that directly address modern commuting demands while completely preserving the legendary heritage and tactile thump that riders worldwide adore. Design and ergonomics. Visually, the 2026 Classic 350 retains its unmistakable, post-war British motorcycle silhouette, defined by the teardrop fuel tank, signature casquette headlamp housing, and sweeping body contours. It is available in a variety of striking colorways, ranging from the rugged commando sand to the sleek stealth black. Ergonomically, the motorcycle excels at all-day comfort. The rider is greeted by an upright, natural riding posture, a heavily cushioned seat with a highly accessible 805mm seat height, and perfectly placed handlebars that grant a commanding view of the road ahead. The overall layout ensures minimal rider fatigue, making it equally welcoming to short commuters and long-distance tourers alike. Features and technology. While it looks unapologetically retro, the biggest news for the 2026 model lies in its targeted technological injections. The dual-channel ABS variants now come equipped with an assist and slipper clutch. This critical mechanical upgrade greatly reduces the effort required to pull the clutch lever, making heavy stop-and-go urban traffic much more manageable. Furthermore, a seamlessly integrated USB Type-C fast-charging port has been tucked under the clutch lever, allowing riders to easily charge smartphones or navigation devices on the fly. The cockpit maintains a neat semi-digital instrument cluster featuring a classic analog speedometer paired with a digital LCD insert that displays a fuel gauge, trip meter, and a helpful gear position indicator. Engine and transmission performance. At the heart of the Classic 350 beats the highly praised 349 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, air and oil-cooled J-Series engine. Mated to a smooth 5-speed gearbox, this power plant produces 20.2 brake horsepower at 6,100 revolutions per minute and a healthy 27 Newton-meters of torque at a low 4,000 revolutions per minute. The engine is tuned for effortless low-end grunt, pulling cleanly away from stoplights with a heavy, satisfying exhaust note. Thanks to a counterbalancer shaft, the heavy vibrations that plagued older generations are completely gone, delivering a glassy smooth cruising experience at highway speeds of 80 to 90 kilometers per hour. The new slipper clutch further elevates the transmission performance by preventing rear-wheel hopping during aggressive downshifts. Beyond the urban crawl, the J-Series engine exhibits a remarkably linear power delivery that makes it a joy on scenic backroads. It avoids sudden surges, instead feeding power predictably to the rear wheel, which builds immense confidence for riders transitioning into the medium-capacity motorcycle segment. The cooling system also proves its worth here, effectively managing engine temperatures even when pushing through extended climbs or sustained mid-range cruising speeds, ensuring the bike feels just as tight at the end of a long journey as it did at the start. Handling and suspension. Built around a sturdy twin downtube spine frame, the motorcycle offers a remarkably planted and reassuring feel on the tarmac. The suspension hardware consists of thick 41mm telescopic front forks offering 130mm of travel, paired with twin gas-charged rear shock absorbers that feature a 6-step adjustable preload system. The setup handles minor potholes and broken city streets with plush compliance, without feeling overly bouncy. Riding on a 19-inch front and 18-inch rear wheel layout, the 195 kilograms curb weight machine masks its mass exceptionally well once in motion. Stopping power is robust and highly reliable, taken care of by a large 300mm front disc and a 270mm rear disc supported by responsive dual-channel ABS. This excellent chassis balance shines brightest when navigating tight, winding roads where stability is paramount. The motorcycle tracks true through corners, demanding very little mid-turn correction from the rider and maintaining an unwavering composure that larger, more aggressive sport bikes often sacrifice for outright agility. It fosters a relaxed, rhythmic style of riding, encouraging you to slow down, take in the scenery, and truly appreciate the mechanical harmony underneath you. Fuel consumption. Cruising with the J-Series engine is not just an emotional experience, it is remarkably light on the wallet, too. Reputable real-world testing and owner reports confirm that the 2026 Classic 350 consistently delivers a highly efficient fuel economy averaging between 35 to 40 kilometers per liter, depending heavily on riding style and traffic conditions. Combined with its robust 13-liter fuel tank, the motorcycle boasts a touring range that easily clears 450 kilometers on a single fill-up, minimizing fuel stops during long, relaxing weekend getaways. Pros and cons. Pros. Timeless retro aesthetics and premium build quality. Extremely smooth J-Series engine with a distinctive exhaust note. New assist and slipper clutch drastically reduces lever effort. Highly comfortable, upright riding ergonomics. Convenient Type-C fast charging port for modern connectivity. Cons. A curb weight of 195 kilograms can feel slightly heavy during low-speed parking maneuvers. Top-end highway performance tapers off past 100 kilometers per hour. The new slipper clutch and USB updates are omitted on the base single-channel ABS variant. Price. The updated 2026 Royal Enfield Classic 350 maintains its reputation as an incredible value-for-money proposition. In its primary market of India, the entry-level single-channel ABS variant starts at an attractive ex-showroom price of roughly 1.87 lakhs. Meanwhile, the updated dual-channel ABS variants, which include the new slipper clutch and Type-C fast charger, start at approximately 1.95 lakhs ex-showroom, presenting a highly justifiable and minimal price increase for massive gains in everyday usability.